Hey everybody, so I'm going to today do eclipse energy reading. We have the lunar eclipse on the 13th or 14th, depending on where you are in the world. And it's in sign of Virgo, and we have a solar eclipse on 29th of March. So eclipses always bring in a lot of energy. There's a lot of energy transitioning. There's a lot of potent energy. There is a lot of energy influx. Okay, and things may seem a bit chaotic. Things may seem a bit confusing for a bit. But eclipses are usually a portal for change. Okay, it kind of brings in something new. It takes away things that are not meant to be in your life. So today we are going to look at these energies, and we are going to look at what it means for you. What are these eclipse energies bringing into your life? So let's begin and let's look at what are the messages coming in for the collective. So we have the Devil, the Fool, and the Eight of Pentacles. So the Devil here indicates, that some of you have been through something very difficult in the past. Devil is Capricorn energy. The Devil also indicates a lot of energy of stagnation, an energy of feeling helpless, energy of being in a situation where you feel you have no control or power over it. This could be addictions, this could be a toxic situation that you were in, this could be a sense of helplessness because you felt like you were powerless. Could be in relationships, could be with health, could be with career, could be with finances. But whatever this is, I feel that in the past you came to realize that something in your life is very toxic and you need to deal with it. You need to take this out. You need to fight against this energy. Although, like I said, things were a bit difficult. The Devil is also a lot of stagnation. You could feel you were feeling helpless and you felt powerless to fight against it. But then I see that some of you took a chance. Some of you tapped into that inner strength and cut off the Devil, because there is a new beginning that I see here that may have come for you. For some of you, this is an end of a relationship that happened very recently. You cut somebody out. You decided to take a chance with life again. For some of you, you were having addictions, and you decided to put an end to it. You wanted to get healthy, you wanted to get better, you wanted it felt like a rebirth of sorts. Okay, whatever you've been facing, whatever difficulties that you've been going through, you took that one step and you decided to put an end to something because you deserve this new beginning. You didn't know what was ahead for you, but you took that first step to getting a better life, and that's what you did. Some of you may have left a relationship, some of you left a job. You did not know if you would get a job in the future. Some of you had zero savings, and you took that bold step just so that you could give yourself a chance for a new beginning. I do see that your hard work and your faith in the universe has kind of paid off, because you are focused on yourself here. The Eight of Pentacles is about mastering something, focusing on your life, focusing on getting out of this energy of the devil. Although you're out of it, but there is a part of you that still gets tempted to go back to the past, to revisit the past. But this is you kind of making sure that doesn't happen. Okay, so the Eight of Pentacles here. So let's see what is coming in the future for you. So in the future, I see the Eight of Cups. I see the King of Pentacles. And I see the Ten of Cups. So like I said, for some of you, you were in a very toxic relationship, a very toxic job. You had to break free from that. You put that effort. Some of you went back to school and college because you realized that you had to work on your finances. Unless and until you are not financially independent, until and unless you're not keeping yourself busy with work, you can't move on. I see you finally coming out of that energy of stagnation, and you're finally saving up for yourself, and you're making a very bold move. You're walking away from something or someone because you're finally seeing the light in the dark. Okay, you are realizing that you now have a choice and you now have a better future, and that's what you're going towards. For some of you, there is a Taurus that I see coming towards you, or this could be a career opportunity coming towards you. Now, whatever this is, it's very stable. It's a good investment into your future because of the right steps you took in the recent past. The universe is kind of giving you a new beginning, a new opportunity, which is going to ensure that you are stable and financially secure in the future. So I also see the Ten of Cups. So again, like I said, for some of you, this could be you meeting a romantic partner who is bringing so much happiness and joy in your life in the future. And for some others of you, it's a career thing where you feel finally ready for new beginnings. You're ready to open up emotionally. You're feeling financially secure, which is also bringing a lot of happiness into your life. You're feeling content. You're feeling, good about yourself, and you deserve this. And I think the eclipse is kind of starting, to bring these changes into your life, and it's going to trigger certain emotions in you where you're going to realize what is not healthy for you, especially with the devil. The devil is something that is toxic, that has been holding you back. So if you have been in a situation where you felt held back, or you felt this is not right for me, or you felt this person is not right for me, those things are going to go. That energy is going to be pushed out. Of course, it's going to take some effort from your side as well, because I see that without the Fool, none of these things would have happened, right? But I think you are going to finally find that courage within you to take that bold step, whatever this may be, whatever this toxic thing is. You're finally deciding and making up your mind about it, and you're realizing that it's now or never, and you're being pushed in the right direction. It may seem like you're starting over from zero, and the number and the Fool is number 0 here, but you're quickly moving forward, and it's the kind of progress you're making is phenomenal, because from 0 you're going to the 8, and you're going to the King of Pentacles, and then you're going to the 10. So this is a phenomenal journey that I see, and it's going to start during the eclipse season. For some of you, you've already started on this journey, and if this is your story, do claim this reading. Do type "I claim" in the comments and claim this reading for yourself. I would like to see what is the outcome here. the outcome here for you is the Temperance. Wow, beautiful, beautiful energy. This is about balance. So you're finally, it's such a beautiful message here, because the eclipse is balancing things out. Like I said, whatever is not meant to be in your life is going to go. And the more you hold on to it, the more you're delaying this journey, you're delaying this process. And I see a lot of you are finally going to realize that you cannot push things under the carpet anymore, because this is really draining your energy. This devil energy is really pulling you down, and it has been pulling you down for quite some time. This is not something sudden. This is something that you have been going through for quite a while. And this eclipse, by the end of this eclipse season, which is starting on the 14th of March, but there are eclipses always comes in pairs. So there is lunar eclipse and followed by the solar, and the effects of these last for up to 6 months. So you are going to see these changes happening gradually, but at the same time there is a lot of progress that I see, and this progress you're going to realize it's happening quickly, because earlier there was no progress at all. You were like stagnant in the same situation, in the same place for way too long. But now you will see, once you take that step, you see a lot of changes happening in your life, bringing a lot of stability in your life, bringing a lot of healing energies in your life. Temperance is Sagittarius energy, so this could be you may have Sagittarius placements, you may have Taurus placements, Capricorn or Aquarius placements, or even Aries. Okay, you're looking back at the past and feeling regret for not having taken the step earlier, not having done this before, but at the same time there's so much of growth and fertility in your life as well. Empress energy is growth, fertility, abundance, and you're bringing all of that into your life, and that's what the eclipse season is doing for you as well. So I see Libra and Taurus energy here as well. So let's pull out some oracle message cards for you for your eclipse message from the Moonology deck. So the universe says take time to breathe out. Okay, so yes, things may get a bit overwhelming for a bit. You need to take some time to breathe, meditate. A new romantic cycle begins. So like I said, for some of you this is about a romantic relationship, or this could be about your career as well, but there's definitely something new coming into your life. Hold your vision, because what you have been dreaming of, the kind of life you had imagined, it is coming towards you. Okay, so this is what I have for you. And I hope this helps and resonates. Do let me know in the comments if it does. Big changes for you this eclipse season, and I'm so happy to see that there is so much of good things coming towards you. Claim this reading, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again. Take care.